Welcome back to Speed Society. Today, we're diving into a motorcycle that brings together luxury, muscle, and Honda's unmatched engineering, the 2025 Honda Goldwing Valkyrie. This isn't just another cruiser, it's a powerhouse built for riders who want comfort on long highways, but with the attitude and performance of a street-dominating machine. The Valkyrie takes that legendary Goldwing DNA and strips it down into something more raw, aggressive, and thrilling to ride. From its bold design to the sheer presence it commands on the road, this bike is all about making every journey an event. So, let's get into what makes the 2025 Goldwing Valkyrie such a standout in Honda's lineup. The legacy of 2025 Honda Goldwing Valkyrie. The Valkyrie name carries a legacy of innovation and audacity that few motorcycles can match. When it first appeared, it shocked the industry by placing Honda's smooth, powerful Goldwing engine into a custom cruiser frame, creating something entirely new and revolutionary. For 2025, this tradition continues with the Goldwing Valkyrie, representing Honda's most ambitious combination of touring capability and custom styling. It stands as a symbol of what happens when a manufacturer refuses to follow conventions and instead creates something truly unique and visionary. This is a motorcycle that honors its heritage while boldly moving forward. Design and aesthetic. The Goldwing Valkyrie's design is a masterclass in showcasing mechanical beauty while maintaining aggressive, custom styling. Every aspect of the motorcycle is designed to highlight its incredible six-cylinder engine, which sits proudly as the centerpiece of the entire machine. The styling is muscular yet elegant, with a long, low profile that manages to look both aggressive and sophisticated. The massive, sculpted fuel tank flows seamlessly into the comfortable seat, while the intricate 6x6 exhaust system showcases Honda's attention to detail and craftsmanship. The quality of finish is exceptional, with deep paint, extensive chrome accents, and flawless fitment that reminds you this is a premium product from the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Goldwing Valkyrie beats one of the most impressive engines ever put in a production motorcycle, a 1833 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled horizontally opposed six-cylinder power plant. The performance is nothing short of breathtaking. It produces 125 horsepower and an earth-moving 125 lb-ft of torque, delivered with a smoothness that feels almost supernatural. The power delivery is immediate and relentless, with torque available from just above idle and pulling strongly all the way to redline. What sets this engine apart is its incredible refinement. There's virtually no vibration, just seamless, effortless power that makes accelerating feel like you're being propelled by electricity rather than combustion. The exhaust note is a deep, cultured hum that reinforces the bike's sophisticated yet powerful character. Technology and features. The Goldwing Valkyrie features a thoughtful blend of technology that enhances the experience without complicating it. The instrument cluster is a combination of analog and digital elements that provide all essential information in a clean, uncluttered display. Ride modes allow the rider to tailor the bike's character to different conditions, while traction control and ABS provide safety support when needed. Cruise control, self-canceling turn signals, and optional heated grips add convenience without detracting from the bike's essential mechanical character. The technology is implemented in a way that feels natural and intuitive, never getting between the rider and the pure joy of motorcycling. Handling and comfort. Despite its substantial size and weight, the Goldwing Valkyrie handles with a grace and stability that belies its specifications. The rigid frame and low center of gravity make it surprisingly manageable, especially once you're moving. The suspension is tuned for comfort rather than sporty performance, providing a plush, cloud-like ride that soaks up bumps and imperfections with ease. The riding position is pure cruiser luxury, relaxed, laid back, and perfectly natural. The seat is wide and well padded, offering excellent support for both rider and passenger. Riding experience. Riding the Goldwing Valkyrie is an experience unlike any other in motorcycling. From the moment you press the starter button and hear the six-cylinder engine whisper to life, you know you're involved in something special. The initial power delivery is smooth and tractable, making low-speed maneuvering surprisingly easy. But the real magic happens when you open the throttle. The acceleration is both violent and perfectly smooth, pushing you back into the seat with relentless force yet without any harshness or vibration. The sound is a complex mechanical symphony that complements the feeling of immense, effortless power. Upgrades. Honda offers a range of genuine accessories for the Goldwing Valkyrie, allowing owners to personalize their machines to their exact preferences. Popular upgrades include different seating options for improved comfort, windshields for better protection, and luggage solutions for increased practicality. The bike's classic styling also lends itself to cosmetic upgrades like custom paint, additional chrome accessories, and lighting enhancements. Who is this for? The Honda Goldwing Valkyrie is for the rider who appreciates mechanical excellence and values uniqueness over tradition. It's perfect for experienced riders who want a comfortable, capable machine that offers performance and sophistication unlike anything else on the road. This bike appeals to engineers and purists who can appreciate the complexity and smoothness of the six-cylinder engine. Pricing and availability. As Honda's flagship cruiser, the Goldwing Valkyrie commands a premium price that reflects its exceptional engineering and unique character. For the 2025 model year, expect the MSRP to start around $22,000 to $24,000 in the United States. This positions it as a premium offering, competing with the highest-end cruisers on the market. Final thoughts. And that's our look at the 2025 Honda Goldwing Valkyrie, a machine that proves Honda can blend comfort, style, and raw performance into one unforgettable ride. It's big, it's bold, and it's built for those who want a cruiser with presence and purpose. Whether you see it as a stripped-down tourer or a muscle cruiser with refinement, the Valkyrie delivers on every front. Thanks for watching Speed Society. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think of Honda's modern take on this legendary nameplate. Until next time, ride safe, enjoy the open road, and keep the passion for two wheels alive.